Hi, little fashionistas. Welcome back to our Princess Design Academy. Today, Barbie has a super romantic fashion challenge for us. We are going to design a magical pink dress covered in bright red hearts and beautiful purple wings. Are you ready to color with love? Let's do it. Drawing. Welcome back to our royal studio, my beautiful princess. Designers, grab your magic markers, because today we have a very important royal mission together. Perfect! Drawing hearts is so fun, girls. It represents love and friendship. Hello, little artists. The kingdom is cold today, but my heart is warm because I know my favorite princess designers are here to help me create a brand new look. Look who is here! The most talented princess designers in the world. Are you ready to paint with sparkles and love today? Coloring.
Princess Design!
Pink. Now, it's time for Barbie's favorite color, bright pink.
Red.
Coloring hearts is so fun, girls. Barbie will love this beautiful dress. Now, let's paint the little hearts on the bottom of this skirt. 1, 2, 3. Look how cute they look. Your hands are getting so good at this. Pink. Purple. Wow, look at that contrast. And for the sleeves, we are using royal purple to make them look like magical wings. This princess is ready to fly. To finish our design, let's add some stardust and magic. Snowflakes. Look how the white color makes the pink and red pop even more. It looks like real glitter shining under the sun. You are a true royal designer.
Yay!
Our drawing is complete. Now, close your eyes and let's count to 3 to make it real. 1, 2, 3, magic. Wow! Look at Barbie. Her dress is so soft, shiny, and beautiful in real life. She loves it. Thank you for designing with me today. If you love hearts and pink dresses, ask your parents to subscribe to our channel for more magic. Bye-bye, little artists.